Hi, I'm Sabina from Contabo. If you're looking to protect your website from XSS attacks and boost your web security, then setting up a content security policy, or CSP, is one of the smartest things you can do. CSP is part of a set of web security headers that help prevent cross-site scripting, also called XSS prevention or XSS attacks. These kinds of attacks can let hackers inject malicious scripts right into your web pages, and that's the last thing you want. Think of your CSP as a gatekeeper. It tells browsers which resources like scripts, images, or styles are allowed to load on your site. If something shady tries to sneak in from an untrusted source, it gets blocked. Let's start with the basic setup. If you are using Apache, just open your site's config file and add this line. This tells browsers to only load scripts from your own domain and the CDN you trust. Using Nginx instead, here's what the config looks like. This is important. Always reload your server after changing headers with this. Not ready to block anything yet? No problem. Use CSP report only mode to test your policy without breaking anything. This way, violations get reported, but nothing is actually blocked. Perfect for debugging. CSP also helps fix mixed content. That's when secure HTTP sites try to load insecure elements over HTTP. Chrome will flag or block those by default. To fix this, make sure all links to images, scripts, fonts, or videos use HTTPs and enforce that through your CSP. To fully secure your site, pair CSP with these other headers. This combo builds a strong defense and improves trust with users and browsers. And a final tip, if you are not sure where to start, use a generator. Tools like cspgenerator.org or Mozilla's Observatory can help you build a custom policy in seconds. A strong content security policy is one of the best defenses against XSS attacks. It's fast to implement, easy to test, and makes a huge difference into your site security. So, if you're working on your VPS, adding CSP and other web security headers is a no-brainer for XSS prevention and overall hardening. If you found this guide helpful, like this video, subscribe for more Contabo tutorials, and drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy hosting with Contabo!